Greetings to all of you. Well, I summoned you all here to let you know that our king, my husband, who traveled since 3 months ago to White Man's Land, will be returning tomorrow.
God's Valentine's.
And also to let you people know that his heart surgery was successful.
Oh, thank goodness.
So what am I trying to say? Since our king is returning tomorrow, I would like everywhere to be sparkling neat.
Okay, Your Highness.
Everywhere, I mean everywhere. You will cook different delicacies tomorrow. Ify, since Ijoma is not around because of her mom's health condition, so I would like you to take over my husband's chamber. Make sure you tidy up that place. Neat, as in neat. I do not want to see any dirt. So to every one of you, please make sure everywhere in the palace is neat.
Thank you.
All right then, you can go back to your duty post.
Thank you.
Hello, Mom.
My son, how is work?
Mom, work is fine. Thank you.
Have you spoken with your father?
No, I haven't spoken with him yet. I've been very busy at the office.
You being busy is not enough reason for you not to have called your father and sister to find out when the flight is.
Mom, I already called the princess. I will talk to the king later. Besides, isn't he your husband? Why don't you call him and find out?
He's coming back tomorrow.
I know that, Mother. I know.
I've instructed the palace workers on what to do. They are tidying the palace. The palace is looking sparkling.
That's very nice. That's good. I would have called my father since, but I have quite a number of things on my table that I need to take care of. And that's what I'm doing right now.
The same thing your father would have done if he were to begin.
I know, right? I'm doing everything possible to make sure that there are no loopholes before he comes back.
Oh, talk of the day. So let me quickly answer your plans.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'll talk to you later, Mom. Thank you.
The palace is sparkling clean. My dear, you can actually say that again.
Ebu, by this time tomorrow, our king, Igwe Roland, Okuro Karisia, will be with us in this kingdom in sound health.
I am so happy and grateful to the gods of this kingdom.
Do you know the gods of our land? They decided in their infinite mercy that it's not yet time for our king Igwe Roland to leave us. And he brought him back in good health. Sound health. I can't imagine the way the queen is feeling right now. Her husband will be joining her soon.
I am absolutely happy, and I know she is very, very happy that her husband survived the attack.
But for real, I've missed the princess. She's a wonderful soul.
Such a jolly good fellow. You know, she saw it to herself that her father did not die. Immediately the attack came, bam! She picked him up and they jetted to India immediately for proper medication.
My dear, who said it's not good for one to have good children?
My sister, Hey! The king and the queen gave their children a very good training, and today they are eating the fruits of their labor.
Ebube, you can say that again. Again and again.
Yes, so you see, I've been saying this thing. 2 good children are better off 10,000 useless sons and daughters. Quote me anywhere.
Nemo, guess what?
This girl, what am I guessing again? What am I guessing again? Let me tell you
the one that gladdens my heart.
Tell me. Tell me.
By this time tomorrow, the father of my Prince Josh will be with us. I'm so happy.
Hey, this girl will not kill me. Amaka, can you stop living in your world of fantasy? Stop this madness already.
Ogini, what is your business? What did I say wrong? Can't I be happy for once? I said the father of my prince is coming back. Is that a bad thing?
Nne, I just gave a piece of an advice. That is if you are willing to take it.
I beg you.
Keep living in your world of fantasy. And let that thing not touch me again.
Is it your fantasy? Jealousy? Is it your fantasy? Can't I be happy?
To think that I, Prince Josh, can hardly find sleep these days because of a total stranger that I don't even know. Where do I go searching for her? I need to see her because there are so many things I need to tell her. I need to let her know how much I have fallen deeply in love with her and want to be with her.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Who are you?
I'm sorry. I thought you were somebody I knew.
Hi. This guy is so cute. He's so handsome. Hey, God. Should I approach him? Well, is that not the prince? Never mind. Okay.
Dima, Are you closing already?
It's night now. I'm closing. I want to go and cook dinner.
Hey, dinner kwa? Ordinary food you go to your father's house and eat.
So because I will eat it in my father's house, it's no longer dinner. It's now breakfast. Okay?
I never say so. Just that I want to buy charcoal.
You want to buy charcoal? I've been sitting here since morning. Why didn't you come here since morning? Eh? He miss him.
Dimma, stop interrogating me. Are you selling for me or not? If you are not selling for me, let me rush to Nkwamichi and get one for myself.
You're sounding as if Nkwamichi is behind your father's house. Go to Nkwamichi now. Don't you know how much you will spend? You are going and coming back. Go to Nkwamichi.
What's come to what? I can enter Keke and go there. What's the big deal?
Are you going to Amichi? Or be going? Yeah. How much on are you buying?
500 naira.
Only. It's 500 naira charcoal that you want to buy. Give me. Give me now.
Give on one. People have been complaining that your mouth is so bad. Look at how you're running the mouth. Don't you know that customers are always right?
Yes, I know. Customers are always right. But it's the rich customers, the one that will come here and buy charcoal of 100,000 naira. Those are the ones that are right. Even if they slap me, I will say thank you, ma. It's not this your miserable 500 naira.
Dimma,
take your this thing and give me because give me the credit. So you take. All them
I don't blame you.
You won't blame me. You know I'm helping you people. You know. This is the cheapest charcoal you can buy anywhere. Very affordable. In Abia ne like it. Moro make pare na agbata.
This one you're yawning.
I'm tired.
Maybe you should go back home and rest.
No, let me wait more. I let people customers looking.
Okay.
Mama, what did Papa say you should cook for him?
What else but okra and ogbono soup?
Again? Bob no okra and ogbono soup. Me, I don't like it too.
Why? But you should know your father and ogbono and okra soup. I like this.
Me, I don't like it. The way it draws pisses me off. And if I eventually eat it, to just be acting weird in my stomach.
My dear, you have to tag along. Manage it for the sake of your father.
Why? Why is Papa eating okra and ogbono every time?
He wasn't used to eating it this way before now. But he started because somebody recommended it for him.
Why? Why did the person recommend ogbono and okra for Papa?
Question here.
Mama, you think I'm still a child though? You don't know I'm grown. You think you can deceive me? I know the reason Papa eats ogbono and okra every now and then is because it boosts spermatozoa.
Yeah. The man one. Where did you learn this from?
In the shop. Okay. See, let me tell you, I know that you and Papa have been trying to have another child after me. That's why Papa is eating okra and ogbono. Why is this one? Why? Yes, now what is it? You like to joke too much. What is it?
Yes, problem. Papa just fell down from the tree.
Don't say that again.
I said, Papa just fell down from the tree right now.
Where?
I don't know. I was looking at the farmland. And I heard a loud voice from the other farmland. I went to check. It was Papa. Let's go, please.
Tell me, is my husband dead?
Mama, I can't say right now, Mama. Let's just go, please. Mama,
Hey!
come, Mama. Mama, please. Mama!
Hey! Umadi! Yara!
Hey. My father is no more. My father is no more, Chugunozo. And where's Gwamunda? And where is Gwamunda, Chugunozo? I don't have a father anymore. It breaks my heart. Hey, Nam.
Dima, you just have to put yourself together. Okay, please. Take it easy with yourself. Everything will be fine.
You know you're lying to me. Everything will be fine. When? Papa is the one that provides for us. He died trying to provide for us. And you're telling me that everything will be fine. Mama and I will go back to the charcoal business. That's not even what is hurting me. It hurts me so much to know that. And where's Imunda? I no longer have a father.
Dima, for the sake of your mother, you have to be strong. You really have to be strong for us. You really have to be strong for her. Please.
My husband left without saying goodbye. Umadi, you left us alone in this world. Life will never be the same without you.
Please. Everything will be fine. Please. Everything will be fine.
My father just died like that. Just like a joke. My father is buried. How? Oh, Chineke. Wadewo. I don't know what we have done to deserve this, so...
You've done nothing.
This is not the life we're expecting.
You've done
This
nothing.
is not what we prayed for. We are waiting for better days to come. And it got worse.
Dima, you know very well that life is unpredictable. Nobody knows tomorrow. Please.
Dima. Is anybody home? Dima. Oh, I forgot she went to the shop.
was coming to your shop.
My dear, I've left my shop. I decided to go home since there's no sales. Let me just go and stay with my mother.
Yeah, I was about asking you how she's doing. Anyway,
She's there.
I got her some drugs. Yes.
You did?
That's what I can do for now. Yeah? You can't watch Mama die. You just lost Papa.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's so thoughtful of you. Your family are more to us. I will never forget your benevolence. Thank you.
No problem. Don't stress yourself, okay? Let's just go and see her. Let her take the drugs.
I pray nothing happens to my mother.
God forbid nothing will happen. Come on. Please. Let's just go, okay?
I appreciate you so much.
It's okay.
Not my portion.
I depend on you. I know that one day.
Yes, it's me, Mama. Why are you lying on the floor now?
Mama?
Eh?
My body is so hot.
Mama. Mama, don't be tired, you'll be fine.
Okay, please.
Mama, Kenekwe so he bought drugs for you. Let me make noodles for you so you can eat and drink.
Okay. Thank you.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
I'm tired.
Mama, I know you're tired. Don't worry, you'll be strong, okay? Once she gets the food, you eat and take your drugs, okay?
My son, I'm going.
Hot.
I want to join my husband.
God forbid. Mama, how can you be saying this? How can you be saying this? Sorry, Mama.
My
Sorry.
son.
How can you be saying this now? You're going to... Mama, sorry. This is serious.
I'm
Sorry, Mama. Sorry. See, Mama, just calm down. You're not going to leave Dima alone in this world now. Dima!
It's
Dima!
It's better I join my husband.
God forbid. Dima, please come.
I'm going, my son.
This sickness has eaten deep into her. We need to take her to the hospital.
Okay, can we take Keke no Zubon? But she has no eating.
Go, please.
Mama, pick up Mama, please.
Sorry. Just relax, Mama.
My son.
Mama, see, just be strong. Just be strong, Mama. Mama, stop now. Stop listening to your dream now. Mama. Mama, no now, Mama. Hey, Dima!
Back. Oh yeah, let's carry her. Keke man is here. Let's go.
Dima.
Eh? Kai Gawano.
I don't know
what is it?
Mama. Hey.
Mama.
Hey. Mama is gone. Mama, no. Mama, see. Mama, you look at his ear. Mama is here. Open your eyes. Mama. Hey! Jesus. Mama!
Not my mother again. God. Oh no. How can I be an orphan now? God, no. God. Oh no. Hey, God, no. Look at my mother. He's not dead. Chukoloso. I'm now an orphan. When Chukoloso. When I'm Chukwite. Did I offend God?
Take it easy on yourself, please.
Oh God.
Please. I know how you feel right now. Huh? Take it easy on yourself. I know wherever Mama is right now, she's seeing you, she's watching over you. She will take care of you. Please. Just take it easy on yourself.
Why me? God, why me? Chukwu Mama, why me? Why me? Why is life so wicked to me? Why? First he was my father. Now my mother is gone. Why is life so cruel to me? Can you help me? God.
Please. Why? You have to stop. Please. Stop this. Everything will be fine. I'm here for you. Huh? I'm here for you. Please. Please.
I am no one. No one to talk to. My parents are dead. I am no one. No one to talk to. My parents are dead. But I can't kill myself. The mama, Okwachakolo Kamneo, Amalijama, Onetinelo, Wobiamole, the mama, if
Come and carry your charcoal now. Where the leave me to go?
I don't understand what you mean by carry my charcoal. Help me and bring it now.
I don't understand. It's your charcoal. Come and carry them. My own is to carry you. Come and carry your charcoal.
Okay,
yourself.
You carry me. Chillax, and then I'll carry this thing. Help me, let's carry it.
Pay my money first. Pay me my money.
I'm not ready. When you're ready, you will bring down my charcoal. You think I don't have money to pay you? Never go back credit. This is money. But you have to bring down my goods. See, you book it a goods so mad. That's somebody's business.
Listen, I don't have your time.
What thousands of naira?
Come and carry your charcoal. Let me be going to my business.
Okay, you're very insensitive. So you want a woman like me to carry this bag of charcoal? Can't you see they are heavy?
But it's your duty. My own is to carry you.
Hey, you will carry me and help me offload it. Are you not the keke driver?
Did you pay for offload? Come and carry your charcoal. You pay for
keke?
for
loading and offloading.
Yes. Because come and carry your charcoal. Time na money. I have other customers I need to carry. Come and carry your charcoal.
You're not ready.
So you want me to be carrying this charcoal? Do you see how I dress? You want this charcoal to stain my clothes? So come and carry your charcoal. Give me my money. Let me go.
What is my business with how you dress? Are you done dressing? Shoe, poor tie, poor coat. You would have worn your suit, wear your shoe, and not your tie. Conflicts, everything. It's very stupid.
You're a trouble woman. Since I carry you inside this keke, you've been singing sorrowful song. It's as if somebody that lost his parents. And I don't want to care about that. But
what is your business with the song I'm singing? When you're done ranting, will offload this charcoal. Are you ready?
I will go with your charcoal now.
Oh yeah,
so
come on.
Come and put your
Try it. Go with my charcoal. You think you can threaten me? I'm not that kind of yeke girl. Jesus, Jukwese.
Oh yeah, come and put and let's carry this charcoal down.
No. Oh yeah. Let's carry it. You know this thing is heavy. You don't want to help me and carry it. Oh yeah. Let's take it inside.
Inside.
Okay, let's take it inside.
Inside. Oh yeah. Inside in cause. By the side.
This man is a useless man.
No.
We must take this one there. If you're not married there, do you want to spoil my market? Wait. Siren Igwe. Igwe!
What kind of human being is this? You sure this is the one, man?
The soup is very nice and I know my queen will love this soup. Oh, my queen.
Is your rice soup ready?
Yes, my queen.
You know my husband and my daughter are already in the kingdom.
Yes.
So soon they'll get to the palace.
Yes.
I hope it's nice.
Yes,
I
yes.
need to test it.
Okay, my queen.
All right. It smells nice already.
I know.
This is good.
Oh,
You are an angel.
thank you, my queen. I'm glad you love it.
I love it. I'm sure my husband will love it.
Oh, thank you, my queen. So,
All right, so get ready, okay?
let me boil you.
Yes, please.
What's water?
In front of us.
Okay, my queen.
Welcome to the land of your father.
Thank
you. Come here. My darling. My mommy. Mommy.
I can imagine.
Mommy.
You look well fed. No, right? I'm vexed. Sis, look at you. Oh my goodness. How are you doing?
Come my husband. Okay, it was a surprise.
Oh, surprise, I see.
Surprise
me.
Thank you.
Igwe anatagonu I can't make kind ya Igwe nke ahụrụ agbaba m na brain. God, oh, I'm so happy. I know there must be celebration going on in the palace now. Igwe is back. Ego ntog. Ichenomo. Look at Igwe that we thought that we have lost him. They flew him to India. Oje transplant ihe niile kidney agbanwe obi agbanwe ọbara agbanwe. Igwe is back and healthy. Imagine if I had money. I wouldn't have lost my mother and my father like that. Oh God, I hate poverty.
Poverty dealt with me and displaced me. And I had the Yadoba, I'm so happy for the royal family. Charcoal! In a waka, in a beans, charcoal, affordable charcoal. Best charcoal seller, Potago here, charcoal. Daluko, good afternoon, auntie. Charcoal, up. Getting out from who are those looking for me with my mother?
Mom, I miss this. I know.
You know, over there in India, I find it very difficult to see our native delicacies.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I can imagine. You guys went through hell. Mom, which of the maid made this?
You love it?
I really love this, Mom.
Ibube.
Oh, Ibube.
Oh. Honey, I hope you love it.
Ross. She was the one who won the contest, right?
Yes.
The cooking contest.
Yes. The best chef in this kingdom. Whoa.
Very nice.
Oh, she still have my own gift.
Oh, really?
I'll give it to her. When I'm done.
Adane. Yes, Mommy's best friend. My beautiful jewel.
Yes.
Believe me, you are nothing but a gift to me. Do I really deserve you?
Of course, Mom.
Without you going with your father might have died. But I'm glad you went there. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome, Mom.
For taking good care of your daddy. I love you.
I love you too, Mom. I mean, he's my father. I just did what was expected of a good daughter. If I had not gone with father, tell me who would have gone with him? Is it Prince Josh that just got back from abroad? I don't expect him to go with father. If he had gone, tell me, mother, who runs the affairs of this kingdom in Relansky Group of companies in father's absence? Nobody. So you see,
I love you. You're such a wonderful daughter.
Oh, my princess!
Bless you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Beautiful daughter of Nollywood. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, Mom.
Oh, come on.
My friend is back. Hi, my friend.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm happy to have you back.
Mother?
Yes, dear.
I would like to return to my room.
baby girl, you look perfect.
I know.
Oh my ever gorgeous, most beautiful girl in Nigeria. Come
Bust
on.
my head, baby girl. Bust my head. You know what? Immediately I heard that you guys are back. So I said to myself, I must be the first to come and see you.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, darling. Thank you.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. Oh, forgive my manners.
No. My queen, how is the king?
Oh, he's doing very well. He just retired to his chamber.
Hope he's fine now.
Perfect.
Oh, Vivian. My girl. Oh, forgive my manners. What would you like to say? Oh, we have champagne, we have red wine, anything, just name it, okay?
Anything is okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You don't have anything in mind?
What is it, my dear?
I'm not happy. I'm worried because things are not really moving the way I planned. I've only made 700 naira since morning. Okay, tell me, what is even working in my life? You are asking me why are you worried? I think the question should be, why shouldn't you be worried? No father, no mother, no sister, no auntie, no boyfriend, nobody. It's just me. And my business is not moving. My life is just tearing apart.
Jimma, you know I have told you to continue believing in God. Things will turn around very soon.
Soon? When is this soon? This is the same thing you've been telling me. When is this soon? In fact, I'm at the verge of giving up.
No. Don't even go there. You cannot give up. You cannot give up. You're beginning to sound like a broken record.
Please allow me to pour my heart. Mo, are you sure? I know where it pinches. I am the only one that knows what I'm going through.
I understand. But I'm promising you one thing. As long as you believe in God, everything will be fine. Okay? Meanwhile, I came to find out how your trip to Nigeria went.
Come in. What are you doing here?
You left. And I demand to know the reason you did that.
The last time I checked, this is my father's house. I can be wherever I want to be.
I notice you're beginning to be irritated by my presence. Hence the reason you left in the middle of our conversation.
Were we having any conversation in the first place?
I came to see the royal family.
Okay. You came to see the royal family. What has that got to do with me?
Are you not part of the royal family? Why are you sounding so irrational? Okay, I heard that His Royal Majesty just returned from his medical trip from India. And I'm here to rejoice with the royal family. What wrong have I done? What wrong?
I came to this room to have my me time. If you don't mind, I would like to be left alone.
What?
You heard me right.
What? It's okay. I'm sorry to bother you. I'd rather take my leave now.
My trip was okay, man. In fact, sometimes I just regret buying all these things. Like I told you, just 700 naira. Since so total.
700?
Yes.
Is it that people are no longer buying this charcoal for their corn business again?
Have you forgotten it's not corn season?
Wait.
And most people are cooking with gas and the firewood. How many people cooks with charcoal?
That's true, I've forgotten. Sorry.
Oh.
That's bad.
Guess what? Guess what I saw today?
I don't like this guessing of it. Tell me what you want to tell me.
Igwe is back. Hale and hearty.
Are you sure?
I was here. Siren, convoy. Igwe. I had to go to that place. I waved to him. I was very, very happy. The man I thought that we have lost. Everybody in this village told that man is not going to make it. Efepie, you see here go, power of money. After Chukwi's money, you think Mama would have died if I had money?
You know one thing that baffles me about you?
I said I saw the convoy conveying him. Baffles you about me, am I the Igwe?
Okay, what I'm trying to say is this. The way you speak your grammar at times, like, it's not just normal, like, it's so fluent.
Is it because poverty dealt with me? So I was the best in my class. Best! You think if I'm from which home I would have been here? Professor, doctor.
I trust you. I trust you.
Hey, that reminds me, please, this is your menial job, eh? We have to start going to that job together.
No.
So please don't tell me no. I need another source of income.
No way.
Why?
No way. See, that kind of work I do is for men alone, not for women.
Guy, whatever a man can do, a woman can do it better.
Not for this one. I disagree.
I insist. I must go with you.
Are you sure you can do that job?
I can do it.
Are you sure you can do that job?
I said I can. Chiku nonso.
No worry. You say so, we go.
Rather have me sit here and not make money again. How am I now going to further my education?
You your back?
How did it go?
Papa, please just give me the insult of my life.
How?
Papa, immediately I got into the palace, he stood up and went upstairs to his room.
What were you expecting from him? You're expecting him to come and sit with your friend Ivy and engage in women discussion or what?
What are you talking about? It's okay. But do you know I went upstairs to ask him the reason he did what he just did? Do you know what he said to me? He bluntly told me that he needs privacy. He told me that to my face.
I think there's more to this. I can remember very well. Before Prince Josh went to the UK for his masters, both of you used to be very close. What happened?
Papa, something happened the day we drove to ShopRite.
And that must be very serious. Since after that day, I've never seen Prince Josh in this house. What really happened?
Papa, the truth is that I am too possessive, and you know that. I cannot watch my man with other girls around him. No, Papa.
So what happened?
Papa, the day we drove to the ShopRite, and so many girls were flaunting around him. Papa, I can't take that. You know me already. I can't take it. And I went straight to the car and
Bibiana, I've been telling you to control your temper. Anger doesn't bring anything good. I didn't know how you reacted that resulted to this.
Papa, I get flared up. Papa, is it my fault? It's not my fault. Papa, you see me. You see Josh. I cannot see any woman between the two of us. I will do the undo. Just leave it like that.
The Grand Prince of Amici Kingdom.
Greetings, Odo Wakabo.
Our handsome prince.
Thank you very much. I greet you.
What a pleasant surprise.
I know, right? Well, I came to see Vivian. Is she in?
Yes, she is. Let me call her.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Hi, Bibian.
My friend.
So good to see you.
Same here. You came as you promised.
Of course I did. You know, you've been visiting all this while, so I thought let me pay you a visit, you know, just to reciprocate.
And I'm glad to have you here. Honestly.
Thank you very much.
You're
Appreciate it.
welcome.
So you ready to go?
Of course, I'm already ready.
All right. This way, please.
My prince, the road is still on construction.
Oh yeah, I noticed, but I think I'll find my way.
Can you? I trust you. And we cannot go on a private date, just you and I, without having some girls flocking around like bees on a honey. I don't get it.
Baby, I've had enough of this your embarrassment, okay? And I'm tired of it.
You call it embarrassment?
Of course it's an embarrassment. What is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you? You've forgotten that I'm the crown prince of this kingdom?
Oh, crown prince bullshit.
Watch your tongue.
Watch my tongue what? Watch my tongue what?
No problem, I don't blame you. I blame myself. I came to your father's house to pick you out. If I had not come to your house to pick you up, you would not be insulting me this way.
I don't care.
Really?
Yes, I don't care what you or anyone thinks about me. I do not care.
Vivian, stop it. Stop it. You keep embarrassing me and I keep taking it, but I will not take it any longer. Okay?
Can you please take me home? Please. Take me home.
Listen to me. I do not know the reason for this, your outburst, but I want you to understand this. Was there any time I ever promised you marriage? Or even asked you out that I wanted you to be my girlfriend? Was there any time this ever happened? Respect yourself, please, okay?
But what were you feeling like? What were you feeling when those girls were jumping around you, like jumping on you, like I don't get it. What were you feeling like? You know what? You are so despicable.
What is going on?
But Mom, he just said he's on his way.
Now, where did he go to in the first place?
Mom, Prince Josh is an adult.
He's not a child. Can you hear yourself? Prince Josh is an adult. So I shouldn't worry about my son? Is that what you're saying?
Mom, Prince Josh is now a man. He's not a child.
Whether man or boy, he's still my child. My baby. So you keep quiet. I should be worried about my son.
I think I'm in the same wavelength with the princess.
Oh, please.
You need to slow down so you don't get yourself worked up.
Exactly my point, Dad.
I'm
just shut it.
thinking.